This is another video of DIY Warriors, and today we will be showing you how to draw a bird. To start drawing your bird, you'll want to form a small circle which you'll shade in to create your eye. After that, you'll go below the eye and draw another line to create your head, which will extend all the way down your paper to make your tail. After drawing the tail, you'll connect the head and the tail by drawing another line, which will be your body. After the body, you'll create another line, which will make your wing. After your wing, you'll connect the wing to the body with another line to make your stomach. And then you'll draw your beak by the head. After the beak, you'll form several small lines at the bottom of the bird to create your legs. After drawing your legs, you will have finished in drawing your bird. After drawing your bird, another option is to color it in. If you choose to color your bird in, you can choose any color to make it look like whatever bird you want. In our example, we chose to color it in orange, black, and yellow to make it look like a robin. Although it makes your bird look more colorful, coloring it in may take an extra 5 to 10 minutes of your time. So if you are someone who gets impatient very easily, keeping the colored pencils away might be a good idea for you. That's all we have for today's video. We hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. And this was Cohen, Riley, and Micah on how to draw a bird.